Welcome to Fastlane, the ultimate channel for speed enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the car that started it all, the legendary Pontiac GTO, widely hailed as the first true muscle car. The Pontiac GTO, a name that's become synonymous with raw power, classic style, and the golden era of American muscle. Whether you call it the GOAT or the Gran Turismo Homologado, this car redefined performance in the 1960s and continues to inspire awe today. It all started in 1964 when Pontiac introduced the GTO as an optional package for the Tempest. With a powerful 389 cubic inch V8 engine, producing up to 348 horsepower, it wasn't just a car, it was a statement. But Pontiac didn't stop there. By 1966, the GTO became its own standalone model, boasting aggressive styling, advanced features, and even more power under the hood. This was the car that put muscle cars on the map. Step inside, and you'll find a driver-focused cockpit designed for pure adrenaline. The GTO wasn't just about straight-line speed, it offered comfort and sophistication, with options like bucket seats, a wood-grain dash, and a powerful audio system. For its time, this was luxury with a side of muscle. Under the hood, the Pontiac GTO was all about performance. Whether you opted for the tri-power carburetor setup or the later Ram Air packages, this car delivered a thrilling ride every time. In its prime, it could do 0 to 60 in under 6 seconds. Not bad for a car that weighed over 2 tons. But the GTO wasn't just about performance stats. It was about creating a driving experience. The roar of the V8, the sleek lines, the unmistakable presence. This car turned heads and started conversations wherever it went. From the original 1964 model to the high-powered Judge Edition in 1969, the Pontiac GTO evolved over the years, but always stayed true to its roots. Even the 2004 revival paid homage to this iconic nameplate, bringing modern technology to a classic design. The Pontiac GTO isn't just a car, it's a legacy. A car that defined an era and continues to inspire enthusiasts around the world. Whether you're a collector or just a fan of muscle cars, the GTO remains a symbol of American performance and innovation. Thanks for tuning in to Fastlane. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more deep dives into the world's most legendary machines. Let us know in the comments. What's your favorite Pontiac GTO model? See you next time.